said guys and girls.
Yep.
You got female carpenters?
We do. We have a apprentice.
How the fuck does that come about?
Hey, that's mate. The world's changing, brother.
This is good. This is good.
Yeah. No, we've got an apprentice carpenter, Maria.
Yep.
She's actually on visa from Colombia.
Cool.
Yeah. Awesome young girl, enthusiastic.
Cool.
Yeah.
Does it change the dynamic in the team?
No, not really. No, the boys are good. It's obviously it's not the norm, but it's becoming the norm to see.
More popular though.
Yeah,
I see
it
heaps
is.
of female sparkies.
Yeah.
But you don't see many female carpenters.
Yeah, so I think it's becoming more of the norm. Boys are very receptive to it. It's good, and yeah,
But it makes no difference really.
it doesn't at all. No, it's good.
Good.